It also depends on how you people have been training this, your sister. Upbringing matters. You cannot just wake up and somebody just 22, that's when you want to start telling that you can do this, you cannot do this, you can do that. In fact, it's one of the reasons why God has been telling me that, even today reminded me, I should start a class for teenagers, because that's where it starts. If you cannot nurture them when they are teenagers, you will not teach them the right thing. It's not when they are now 22, you now want to be correcting them. This is an example, right? I'm not talking about this girl now. I mean, the girl is already 22 and she has already slept with 17 men, for example, or she has had sex 17 times. And it's now you want to now start teaching her about sex, for example. It's an example. What do you want to teach her? Like, how do you want to, what are you trying to do? Do you understand? So, upbringing matters. So, if you have not been teaching this girl the right things before, you have not been guiding her, you do not just expect her to just wake up at age 22, then you now expect miracle to happen. You now tell her, no, that guy is not good for you. Nah. You cannot do that. I have people that I know right now that are like 40 years old, 45 years old. I guarantee you, these people are still mumude. Do you know what mumude is? They are still foolish. You know why I say foolish? The upbringing, the way the father trained them with strong hand. Don't go there, come on, don't go there. They are still afraid of their father.